So it is day 8. It's about 8 p.m. and I have had a good amount of my TN pain throughout today. This evening, my pain is intermittent. It's goes back and forth, and it's pretty high. It's between a 6 and a 7. Earlier today, I would say it maybe started around 1 or 2 p.m. And I've been just stopping and doing what I need to do at that moment. But I really want to document this because I'm not in the mood to journal it tonight about how day 8 went. So just bear with me, but I am going to be as brief as possible. So day 8 started off amazing. It's been an amazing day. The pain is the worst part of the day. So I'm pushing through that. I did not wake up hungry. I didn't wake up feeling as empty as I have the past 7 days. So I was grateful for that this morning. I honestly wasn't even thirsty, and I didn't start drinking my first little bit of juice until around 10 a.m. So I didn't have the desire to drink as much, but I'm forcing myself, not forcing, but forcing myself to hydrate because I haven't drank much water. Like I said, it's around 8 p.m. and I have had about 32 ounces of water, roughly about 16 to 20 ounces of my herbs. What else? Water, herbs, and about 32 to 34 ounces of juice. I didn't get the exact amounts today. Energy has been great. Energy has been great off and on. I have been able to clean my home. It's Sunday, self-care Sunday. I was able to go out and run a few errands, and I felt great doing that. I'm really, really pleased with how I've been feeling today, aside from my nerve pain, of course. But I'm staying hopeful. I'm staying positive, and I'm going to push through this. This is what hit home today. This is what hit home. I cleaned out my refrigerator, and I didn't have any food in there, but a few pieces of produce items, because I knew I was going to do this fast. But when I was looking at the seasonings, like my sauces, my marinades that I feel like are extremely healthy, they're soy-free, sugar-free, organic, my cocoa aminos that are in my refrigerator, just different seasonings and sauces. It hit me. I was like, girl, you may never eat this stuff again. What I once deemed as healthy, gluten-free, soy-free, of course, I'm going to keep that regimen, but I may be just cooking everything from scratch, like raw with just herbs and no sauces and stuff, and it hit. And I just started thinking about fried chicken, because fried chicken is my fave, like my favorite, when I used to eat chicken. Yes. And I was like, girl, you never gonna eat chicken again in your life, are you? And you know what the answer was? No. Once I get through this, I'm healing internally. And once I get through this, being whole, mind, body, and spirit, because I've been working on this for years, healing, shall I say, but bringing it all together and doing the internal part and the cleansing, no, I'm not eating that anymore. Can't. Just have to retrain my mind to know what's right and what's good for me. Day 8, there was some release. I just kind of burst out in tears a few times, like, oh, what was I holding on to? So the release is real, and spiritually, and it felt good. And there were a lot of moments where I really could love on myself today and tell myself how proud I am of myself, and just be grateful for so much. And I'm really starting to feel more in tune with myself, and I'm pretty in tune with myself regularly. So I'm excited about this. I'm gonna stop here. Pain is really bad with my TN, so I will come back another day.